How to be a leader on Vimeo. So, hey, transform the way you influence, empower, and grow teams using Vimeo culture and technology. Whether you are leading a project, railing a cross functional partner, or building your leadership brand, Vimeo provides the tools and mindset to lead without waiting for permission. So, uploadically ambitious, own your room. I'm really ambitious. I tell my manager exactly what I want. Anjali Sud, Vimeo CEO since 2017. Under her leadership, Vimeo has grown to 850 employees, serving 200 million users with 350,000 videos added daily. This scale rewards bold self-advocacy and those who lead from where they are. And here, lead without formal authority. True leadership isn't about your title, it's about your ability to inspire actions, build trust, and create impact regardless of organization hierarchy. And four pillars of Vimo Styles leadership. Define your leadership lens. Decide what energizes you. Create work, large team management, or productive strategies before chasing titles. Self-awareness is foundation of authentic leadership. Lead without title. Volunteer across functions, marketing, product, operation in a egoless way. Build trust that makes people listen even when you have no formal power. Empower and deliver results. Focus on two outcomes: people doing their best work and positive business impact. Great leaders create conditions for both to flourish. Excels now, prepare tomorrow. Protect your current performance while visibly mastering the skills needed for the role you aspire to. Make your next move obvious. Your actions plan. Lead on Vimeo today. Host collaborative live decks. Use Vemo's web-based production tool to upload PDF or PowerPoint files, add speakers, and enable picture-in-picture. Showcase ideas and rally cross-functionally buy in real time. Leverage AI-powered tools. Use Vemo script generator and Telegraptor to craft clear, compelling narrative that inspires teams and stakeholders. Let technology amplify your voice. Take the first step. Schedule a 15 minutes leadership sprint, live stream, invite peers from at least 3 departments, and practice the four pillars in real time. Start small and lead boldly. So there you guys. That's about it. Hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any more questions or concerns, you can type it down comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here. How to rock it, guys. Here, guys, and thank you.